Hey everyone, my name is Gustavo. You're looking at a solar system, a 5.6 kilowatt solar system located in Gainesville, Georgia. They're connected with Jackson EMC. The cool thing about Jackson EMC is that they offer $450 per kilowatt that you add on top of your roof. So if you're thinking of, hey, maybe I want to go solar. Hey, I'm interested in reducing my bill. Hey, I'm interested in reducing my carbon footprint. Check this out. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoyed everything you saw. Again, as you saw in the video, the solar panels look nice, the prices are right, the incentives are there, and it makes sense. Everyone said solar was the future, but the future is now. The time to go solar is now. The tax credit isn't gonna get larger. Matter of fact, it's gonna be going down to 22% at the end of this year and then to 0% at the end of the next year. The incentives are here, the savings are here. It's all a matter of fact of getting the education and making the decision to go solar. If you would like to get a comprehensive and in-depth, robust solar proposal, a shade analysis, and a visual of what the solar panels will do for you, contact us. You can DM us, you can email us, you can call us. We'll be taking care of you at Better Tomorrow Solar. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye.